Hello and welcome to JULABO. My name is Alex and today I will show you the basic settings of our highly dynamic temperature control systems, PRESTO. All display functions are easy to operate with a fingertip. Let's have a look at the PRESTO menu. Here you can choose the submenu settings. With the green arrows at the top, you can switch sides. Our tip: use your nail or a pen to operate the display with maximum accuracy. In the first section, you can select your desired language. 10 different languages are available. For our example now, we'd stay with English. Of course, date and time can also be adjusted as well as the format. Auto Start allows you to directly start the temperature control system via the mains power switch. Furthermore, you can change the measurement units. For example, temperature from degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit, pressure from bar to PSI, or you can choose the flow rate in liters per minute, gallons per minute, liters per hour or gallons per hour. To get an acoustic feedback, you can set the keypad tones in 3 different tone lengths. You can also customize the home screen to your specific needs. First, you simply choose the color of set point, internal and external temperature. Furthermore, you can set up 5 different preferred values for the home screen. Info will give you all information on the current module configuration. On the second page, you can change the maximum current consumption if your fuse rating of the building installation is lower than the factory preset. Back on the home screen, you can switch between 3 different views. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. If you need more details or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you and see you soon.